I'm feeling high.
What's up my loves, welcome back to my channel. So I've already applied my foundation and then applied the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow foundation, and now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to prime my eyelids, and for that I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Camo concealer in the shade Medium Sand. So I've already applied the primer on my eyelids. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this Fit Me Loose powder, and I'm going to lock that primer in on my eyelid so that we have a smooth canvas for our eyeshadow. So yes, I have put the powder on, and as you guys already know that this is the eye look that we're gonna be creating. Alright, so let's get on with this eye and let me show you what I did. So first I'm gonna grab my Morphe James Charles mini palette. Excuse how dirty it is. This is one of my favorite palettes and I use it a lot. Okay, so first I'm gonna jump into this shade right here, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. So yes, I'm gonna jump right into that crease and over here too. Yeah, you can obviously like put the tape on to give you the shape that you want. And now I'm gonna grab my blending brush and I'm going to blend this out. And yes, okay, so now I'm going to jump into this shade right here, and I'm going to put it again a little above my crease, and again I'm going to grab my blending brush and I'm going to blend that all, soften it out as we go up. Alright, now I'm going to grab my e.l.f. matte for matte eyeshadow palette. What is that? I don't know. So in this I'm going to be using this shade right here, and I'm going to darken my crease with this. Now I'm gonna again grab my blending brush and I'm just going to blend and soften it up. Alright, so now it's turned for our black shade. I'm gonna use this angled brush. Then I'm gonna use this black shade from this palette, and of course we're gonna use a more darker version of this shade because this is not the darkest black that I want. So for that I'm gonna use my Morphe James Charles palette. But just to start off and for the base, I'm gonna use this palette. So make sure to really pack it on your eyelids, and this is just the base. We're obviously gonna build it all up. It's not that hard. This look is really not that hard, and this is also one of my favorite looks. Yes, we're gonna pack it on, pack it on, pack it on. All right. Also don't forget to get this corner because you really want this shape to be really nice. So yes, don't forget to put this black shade in this corner. Alright, so now I'm going to bounce back into this James Charles palette, and I'm gonna again get and I'm gonna dip into this beautiful black shade right here, and I'm gonna use the same brush. See, this look really didn't take much time, as you guys can see. Don't forget your outer corners. You really want your black to be popping, so keep pressing it on till you get the desired shade. So I'm just going to pack it in again and again and again till I really get what I want. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my blending brush. I'm going to dip into this black shade, but not that much. I'm going to brush off the extra and now I'm just going to blend it in my crease, just to mix it with all the other colors, but only in my crease. Make sure to only stay in your crease, otherwise it's gonna create this whole mess above here and you don't want that. So yes, just a little bit and then just blend it all out. Don't forget to get your outer corners, guys. I think we are pretty much there. As you guys can see, there's a lot of fallout. I usually see this fallout when I use this James Charles palette, not with the elf one, but it's okay, we can work this. We will obviously clean this up with a concealer. So now we're done with this shade. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this tape. I know it's gonna look a little scary right now, as you guys can see. It does look a little scary, but now we're gonna clean it up. And again, I'm gonna use my elf hydrating camo concealer in the shade medium sand, and I'm going to put it under my eyes and just to clean this up. Alright you guys, so I've put the concealer on. Now I'm gonna grab my Fit Me loose powder and I'm going to set my under eyes. Alright, we're not done with the eye makeup yet, so just hold on, I'm just setting it up. Now you can grab a favorite eyeliner or your kohl. You can use any black kajal or kohl or eyeliner and put it on your waterline. I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab my small angled brush and then I'm gonna use this shade, this black shade from the elf palette, because it has less fallout, and I'm gonna use this for my lower lash line. Just gonna create a very clean line. I'm not gonna blend it too much. So now it's time for some glitter, and I'm going to be using this elf Flirty Birdie glitter stick, and I'm gonna use this on my inner corners, but there's a way to use it. And to achieve this, I am going to take this, I'm gonna put it on my inner corners first, also on my lower inner corner, you know, right here, and then I'm gonna slowly and gradually go up and, you know, pat it on my eyelids. But now I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to take my finger and now I'm going to pat it over here. Just going to use some more. Now I am going to grab my eyeliner, and you can use any eyeliner. I am going to use the Lakme Insta liner, and I'm just going to create a wing along this angle. So I'm going to go ahead off camera and I'm going to do my blush and bronzer and everything, and I'll be back. Then we're going to go ahead and apply some mascara. Alright you guys, so I've applied my blusher and my bronzer, my highlighter. I also added some highlighter on my brow bone, so you can go ahead and do that as well. Now it's the time for our eyelashes. I'm not going to be using falsies. I am going to use this Lash Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect mascara. I bought this recently and I haven't tried it out yet. So yes, I just wanted to see if this really, I've heard good reviews about it, and so yes, I'm trying this out. I'm gonna go through the usual drill like I usually apply it, and now I'm just gonna help. Okay, so I've applied my mascara on, and yes, this is indeed a good mascara, but I believe that there are better mascaras out there, but what would you want in such a low price? So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and link all the products in the description box. Now it's time for our lipstick, and I'm just gonna use my NYX lingerie lipstick in the shade Cabaret Show. Also, I did make a video where I did my full face makeup using only viral makeup hacks, and I think you guys should really check that out. It has a lot of good makeup hacks, and you will have a lot of fun and also some good learning. So yes, go ahead and watch that video. I'm gonna link it down below in the description box and also here on the iCards. So yes, go ahead and watch that video. So yes, let's apply our lipstick and let's just complete the look. Alright you guys, so this is my complete look now, and I am really impressed with it. I hope you guys also are impressed with it. And yes, so this is my look right here. And also, did you notice my background? Do you like my unicorn? Please give some hearts for my unicorn too. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and also do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And yes guys, go follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is down below in the description box and also somewhere here on the screen. You are gonna find a lot more looks there. So yes, go follow me on Instagram and come be a part of my Instagram family. All right, I'm going to see you next week with something more interesting. Bye guys.